In today's video, I'm going to show you how to backup your data in Telegram. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your Telegram application and you'll have to log into your account. After that, go right here on this icon with the three lines and then go to settings. So right here you'll have to search for this option, which is data and storage, and you'll have to tap on this option right here, data and storage. And after that, as you can see, we have these options right here at automatic media download. When using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi, you'll have to make sure that these options are activated. And also we have this option which says save to gallery, and you'll have to check in and to activate all these options. So basically, to save to gallery all the media and the data that are sent to you through private chats, groups and channels. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.